Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best Vitamix blender. So let's get started. Number 7. Vitamix Professional Series 750. This blender makes things easy with 5 preset programs for cleaning, smoothie making, frozen desserts, hot soup, and pureeing. When you don't want to use a preset, you can choose your own speed, or use the pulse feature for chunky blending, think chunky tomato sauce, or salsa, or finer control. This blender has a low-profile 64-ounce container that will fit neatly under most kitchen cabinets for easy countertop storage. The tamper, which is included with all Vitamix blenders, is designed to move food around without getting in the way of the blades so it can be used when the blender is running. To clean, all you have to do is add a drop of dish soap and some water, and run the cleaning cycle to completely clean the blades and jar. Number 6. Vitamix Turbo Blend 3-Speed. Let's be honest, since Vitamix blenders are the gold standard, they carry high price tags. You can still get Vitamix quality blending power while saving a chunk of change by choosing one of the pared-down, non-digital classic models, called the Legacy series, over more expensive models from the Ascent series. The Turbo Blend 3-Speed is more affordable than advanced models. It features simple-to-use manual controls with toggles for on-off, pulsing, and a dial to select low, medium, and high speed. It comes with a 64-ounce container, which offers plenty of capacity for pureeing a batch of butternut squash soup and making smoothies jam-packed with fruits and veggies. Number 5. Vitamix 5200 Blender. This Vitamix 5200 comes with a tall, slim, 64-ounce container that's perfect for your smoothies, purees, and hot soups. It has a variable speed dial that lets you change the speed as you blend, and a pulse button for chunky blending, or to get a precise texture when you're making salsa or mirepoix. The on-off toggle rounds out the controls. The blades of the machine go so quickly that you can even cook your food while you blend. In as little as 6 minutes, cold ingredients can get heated to steaming, so you don't have to warm up your ingredients beforehand to make a creamy pureed soup. Number 4. Vitamix A3500. One of the smartest of the Vitamix blenders, this blender has 5 pre-programmed settings to help you perfectly blend smoothies, hot soups, puree baby food and frozen desserts, and clean your blender. It also pairs with the Vitamix Perfect Blend app that has 17 different programs and includes over 500 recipes. The app is compatible with both iOS and Android devices, and it can also work with the Perfect Kitchen Scale for precise measuring as you cook. The motor base has wireless connectivity, so it can read the size of the container that is in use and adjust the program settings and blending times appropriately. It comes with a 64-ounce container, but other containers are available separately that work with this system. Number 3. Vitamix 5300 Blender. With a classic, no-fuss design and straightforward features, the 5300 does everything you need from a basic blender. It has an on-off toggle, a pulse toggle, and a variable speed dial to precisely control your blending. It comes with a 64-ounce, low-profile container that gives you plenty of space for blending and fits under most kitchen cabinets, so you can tuck it away in the corner of your counter if you don't have a lot of cabinet space for storage. Number 2. Vitamix Red 7500 Blender. This professional-grade blender is designed to be a kitchen workhorse, with hardened steel blades, 10 variable speeds, and a pulse button. The low-profile, 64-ounce container is sufficient for blending soups, smoothies, and sauces in sizable batches. Even with heavy use, the radial cooling fan keeps the motor from overheating, which will keep this blender in top shape for years. The machine is even exact enough to process coffee beans into grounds or make nut butter. Number 1. Vitamix A2300 Ascent. This Ascent model combines a variable speed dial with a digital timer, wireless connectivity that recognizes the blender jar size and adjusts the programs, and the Vitamix Perfect Blend app that includes 17 programs and over 500 recipes, so you'll never run out of ideas for what to cook. The app is available for iOS and Android and works with the perfect kitchen scale to make measuring a breeze. Some users do mention that all of the power makes this blender on the louder side, some going as far as to refer to it as scary loud. But all of that noise trades off to an impressive amount of power that can blend just about anything you put in the container.